What it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy. 2 eyes back on the block with another banger, broski. Yo, just now getting my life together, you know what I'm saying? Face wash, teeth brushed and all that. Yo, me and the fellas went up last night, and I know it may have been like 3, 4, possibly 5. Somewhere in them hours, you know what I'm saying? We were having so much fun, time was going by so fast. Really didn't keep track of time, so you know we gotta go up for the day. Somebody last night in the chat mentioned, I think it was Frank Nitty, man, the homie balling on the budget, might have mentioned that Nike factory store got this 20% off. So you know what I mean, I went looking for it in my email, found a coupon. They got 20% off on all footwear from August 24th through the 26th. The day is the 26th, so I'm guessing the day is the last day to get that 20% off. So we definitely finna pull up to my local outlet and see what's going on with that. You know what I mean? To all the guys that was in the chat last night, man, what I want to say to y'all, because I know it's the first time I got to wrap it up with Unbreakable and Sniper Jones. The rest of the homies that's in the chat, you know what I mean? We brothers already. Y'all mob and I'm gang with y'all too. You know what I mean? Major shout out and salute the Skinny and Alias, man. That Reckless Gang, that Anytime podcast. That's like literally the best thing going in YouTube right now, man. It's a platform where we can all come sit down and chop it up at the round table and get stuff out of our chest, you know what I'm saying? Vent about shit that's going on in YouTube and our personal frustrations with YouTube that we all go through, and it's real therapeutic when you get to talk to other cats who do what you do and relate to what you're going through, because you know what I'm saying, outside of YouTube and off the camera, it's it's wild, bro, and it get real frustrating dealing with people who don't understand what you're going through. So you know what I mean, Snipe touched on it. And it was a dope ass podcast, long as shit. If you going on a road trip, turn it on and let it ride. I guarantee you'll sit there the whole time. But, you know what I mean, I said all that to say to all the fellas who was involved, bro, I really hope we can go up again, man. I myself really enjoy swapping game with y'all and, you know what I mean, shooting shit and getting everything out in the open. I think it's good for the community and hold all of us accountable, because now we're conscious that other creators and, you know what I mean, our peers, and not just the community watching, you know, we are conscious now that we're all watching each other. So, you know what I mean, it just hold us a little more accountable. We can be a little bit more comfortable. We don't have to, all of us don't have to run around with the lone wolf mentality of it, like, oh, I'm in this shit by myself. Your shoulders up, you know what I mean, your chest out, your hair standing up on your back, like teeth showing. We don't gotta do that, because you know what I mean, we're building this brotherhood and we're making this camaraderie, and it's not fake, it's organic. You know what I mean? The thing about Skinny podcast, it ain't none of that shit scripted, bro. It just go up how it go up. So that's another thing I love about it too. And for all the cats, you know what I mean, it's other cats that I really want to work with. I'm working with more cats. I got I'm going up with Vanity Kicks and Goat Weezy, you know what I'm saying, going up with them boys Monday. I don't know when y'all gonna see this video, but I'm going up with them boys Monday night, so y'all stay tuned for that. And yeah, for sure, man, I'm definitely trying to work with everybody, man. For the cats who wouldn't in the panel or wouldn't in the chat, you know what I'm saying, y'all already know I gotta fuck with my dog Shumanati. Y'all know I gotta fuck with Skip Goes Hard. Y'all know I gotta, you know what I'm saying, I love the game, man, so I'm definitely gonna be doing my part on my end to push the culture forward. But fuck all that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, let's get on these kicks, man. I just had to say that because it was important. I wanted to address it. I usually don't talk about live streams, or, you know what I mean, I don't try to bring that shit back up, because it is what it is. It's a moment in ShootTube when it's happening, and, you know what I mean, I just be glad to be a part of it. I don't be trying to stretch and drag shit out no longer than it need to be, but y'all know what it is, man. I'm just grateful and really appreciative to be a part, hopefully one day, a major and key factor of the new wave of what's going on right now in ShootTube, man. I love it, bro. Everybody keep on rocking. For real, on the motherfucking mob, you know what I'm saying? Hey, let's change up, get up out this goddamn shirt, you know what I'm saying? Get on these kicks, broski, mob. Mob. Yeah. It's that real mob shit. 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 Nah, you ain't my bitch. 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 It's that real mob shit. Life a middle clip. Think that nigga mad cause my kids cost his rent. I'm chasing the bag. I ain't worried about no bitch. Lil' buddy stack up your cash. You worried about doing shit. Yo, poor nigga hate, they don't want fight though. Bro, I'm tryna have a neck like a light show. On the grind, all everything for the low. Got T's, got kicks, and I got O's. Y'all fuck niggas ain't got no hoe. Old lame niggas still wearing polo. Talk shit about the clique, that's a no-go. But you young niggas strapped at your front door. Yeah. Whole time I'm on the cool with it. I already put in work. They know I'm a fool with it. Yeah. I just stack my bread and drop the bank and show my youngin' how to get it. I don't understand the angle for niggas broke. Wanna be mob, but you can't actin' like a hoe. Bitch, I'm chillin', rollin' up the stank. Happy 420, one time for my brother Smitty. Bitch, we finna get it. Black suit gang in the building. Real mob shit. It's that real mob shit. It's that real mob shit. It's that real mob shit. Nah, you ain't my bitch. 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 It's that real mob shit. 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 Nah, you ain't my bitch. Nah, you ain't my bitch. Nah, you ain't mob. We in the whip about to take off, broski. About to head to this Nike factory store, Nike outlet, whatever the case may be. See what they got in this junk. You know what I'm saying? If they got anything in there, we gonna grab it. Please don't be tripping off me wearing Adidas shoes to the Nike store. Really don't fucking matter, bro. I guarantee you them employees ain't gonna be like, hey, get the fuck out my store with them Adidas on. You know what I'm saying? That's not gonna happen, broski. But hell yeah, man, y'all ride with me, broski. On the mob. You ain't my bitch. It's that real mob shit. Nah, you ain't my bitch. Get tatted in my face when I hit that milli lick. Every day I pray that the boy can go legit. Dog, I'm so fucking close. I see, smell, and taste that shit. So broski, I done made it to the outlet, man. We about to go in, G. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I got them racers on feet, and man, I am dreading to walk through this shit, bro. Like, ouch. Fuck it, let's go. Yeah, it's done. It's a done deal now. It hurt every step, fucking hurt. I ain't tripping though. When I get to the crib, big cleanup coming on deck. Man. But yeah, made it to the outlets though, and this is my third time coming, G. You know what I'm saying? I came once on my own after I seen Ballin' on the Budgets video. Checked it out. That video did pretty well as well. Came back with the fam, you know what I'm saying? We got a couple of cheeky beezy school pickups. Some small stuff, you know what I mean? We got the rest from elsewhere, of course. And this is my third time coming, man. And I feel like the third time is gonna be a charm for the personal, you know what I'm saying? The first 2 times I came, I only seen stuff for Bigfoot land. You know what I mean? It was like size 13, size 14, stuff like that. Yeah, man. You know what I mean? You gotta keep at it. You gotta keep trying. Ballin' on the Budget is the proof for that. I encourage everybody to get out there into them outlets, man. You know what I mean? Tap in with the homie Frank, he ain't gonna mind. But yeah. Whew, finally got them rocks. That feels so much better, broski. Let's get to it, G. See what we can pick up. They want me to stop, I ain't quit. Track like the blunt, shit hit. Trill spill, young Dave Caulfield. Nigga up the smoke, get missed. All you do is flex with these hoes, and I don't be sweating these bitches. Hell yeah, man, I'll trap, no cap, fuck this shit, bro. It's that real mob shit. It's that real mob shit. This that real mob shit. This that. So, bro, we just not making it on the inside. As you can see, it's full today, bro. I might be late. All the good stuff might be gone, man. We still finna check it out. Let's hit these aisles, bro. Nothing. Monarchs again. Hello, what was this? What was this? Nike Air TR Victor Cruz joints. I don't know. These straight. They're not bad. Let's see what else we got. Okay, another flavor on the Huaraches. What model is this? Nike Air Huarache Drift Premium. Yeah, them straight, bro. Not bad at all.
Real mob shit, nah, you ain't my bitch, nah, you ain't my bitch, nah, you ain't my bitch, nah, you ain't my bitch. It's that real mob shit, it's that real mob shit, it's that real mob shit.
So this first aisle, dead. I say we hit the wall last. There's a lot of people right there right now. I'm gonna get in the way. Slides tough. I'm out for the slides. Okay. Destructs on deck. Oh, black one. I like the tan ones though. The black ones not bad. They had the tans I would kind of itch to pull the trigger on the Destructs. I do like the silhouette. Like the minimalistic approach to it. Stripped down. More lifestyle feel. I like them, just wouldn't pay that price even with the 20%, but dope shoe all in all. They had to check out the 6 rings, bro. I remember when the 6 rings was dope, bro. People don't fool with them now, but when they first dropped, and he dropped that pack, you know what I mean? I think it was the Supersonics and like a Utah Jazz colorway of the 6 rings that was fucking crazy, but they fell off, man. Oh, cool, great one. Yeah, bro. So honestly, in Bigfoot land, I really ain't see nothing. But hey, for the kiddos, they got these, and I highly recommend this shoe. This shoe right here, fire, bro. Look at the outsole, super icy outsole, and they got PG2s for the kiddos. Look like a full size run of PG2s, man. I like that one the most though. But yeah, man, y'all stay up, bro. We gonna keep it moving, man. So yeah, bro, this trip was a bust for personal pickups, man. But it didn't hurt to try, of course. You know what I mean? I think what we can do to spice this video up and leave it off on a dope note is, you know what I mean, drop it off with a on foot for these racers, man. You know what I mean? Official on foot. So yeah, we're gonna leave off our numbers. Y'all stay all the way up, bro. Pretty. Please subscribe if you haven't already, man. Hit that notification bell as well. Tap that like button on the way out, G. You know what I mean? On the mark. Y'all stay up, broski.
Sandpaper on them haters, we can't let them slide. Real nigga first, I get money on the side. Mobbed up from day one and built the empire. I seen a boy with my sauce, I need that back. Keep cool round the boy, I'm known to spit fire. Ride for the mob to the white show in the tie. If it's you and I, and somebody gotta die. Kiss your mama, get by, my DNA resurvive. Your chromosome got too wide, your bitch, and I'm not surprised. You came up hating on guys, I came up whipping the pies. Grab the fuck and hit it, before I heard Jesus with it. Before got it dropped, they rap what we were living. Moved to QC with OG, went to prison first day of school. Bitches on me look like I was getting it. Could go to jail if I tell the rest of the story. Just know it was hella pain before the glory. We done been through it all, niggas still hating. Everything I spent 100, we don't do no faking. 2 grands in my back, it blow like a Jamaican. Tell your bitch I be back and she still waiting. Count stats, I just off another pack. Told the plug a P Ward, Florida State, run it back. I might post up on your block with that pad, just like shit. I'm coming right back. They thought I still sold crack. Whoa, you know we get it by any and every mean, bitch. Still I ain't an amount that could come between this. Heavy hitters in the mall, we gon' lean shit, yo. Bitch heavy on my line on some fiend shit, yo. Money heavy on my mind, I think green.
And yeah, we getting up out of here, but what y'all didn't know, bro, I'm the best Pokemon Go trainer in the world. Yo! On his head, wait, oh shit, I ain't got that Pokemon yet either. Oh, I'm on him first. Ma, we out.
Shit, no Jakarta did it for the team. My old hoes doing good and I wish them well. It's just one of them bitches, I hope she kill herself. It is what it is, brother, it's on me. Screaming fuck you, cause you said fuck me. And it's still 2 niggas that I need touch, but it's gonna be plenty more if they fuck with us. Let a bitch get out of line, we gon' fire 'em up, yeah. Let a bitch get out of line, we gon' fire 'em up, yeah. Let a bitch get out of line, we gon' fire 'em up, yeah. Let a bitch get out of line.